Hello everyone, it's Joe and Albert again with Spark Science. It is Sunday, September 27th, and we're jumping right into it. We're talking about today with SQL databases and the web. So for this project, I built a Django web page to demonstrate extrapolation with websites, web pages, and databases. So as you can see right here, this actually is a live website you can go to, sparkscience.com. And this is a simple form that you can fill out with a user, age, their creation date, and if they have code or not. It's just something simple so I could demonstrate the different fields that there are within Django, which we're going to hop into right now. There's the web page I'm looking for. All right, so with Django, it is a Python-based web framework. And to create the web page that I just showed you and connect it to your database, you're really just editing 5 different files. So to create the models you need, which are basically database tables, and make a front end and connect to the back end, you first start with your model. So this is just easy, simple. If your user, creation, all the variables we saw before, and also this UID, which Django, with this .auto field primary key, it automatically increments this and marks it as a primary key for the database table. You also have character fields, date time fields, all fields you would see from SQL code. So whenever you do this, you have to run a command that's make migrations and then migrate. That is basically creating and executing SQL code that creates this table. So it looks in this models.py file and it creates whatever database tables are of these classes. And then to create the form, Django makes it super easy as well. You just create a class, you say what the model is, and then you say what fields you want to be filled out. So it's pretty simple and straightforward, and Django takes all the work away from you. You don't have to make any HTML forms at all. It's just a simple form action with a method of post. You have to include the CSRF token to prevent cross-site forgeries. That is something that Django enforces. And this form tag right here just basically looks in forms.py and will generate that form for you. And all you need to add is a submit button. Then lastly, this views.py is the main part of Django. It is how you create all of your web pages. So simply this index, it's just if you're actually posting something, creates the form, and you check if the form is valid. If it is, you save it, and then redirect the page. If there's anything wrong, if it's a get method, or if it's not valid, it just reloads the form. And this last line is actually rendering the web page. There is one more file you have to edit. That's your settings file, so you can actually connect the database to, you can connect Django to the database. I can't exactly show you that because then people will start messing with my database. All that comes together to create this. Working with Django is super easy and simple. I love it. It's a great platform to work with, especially if you know Python. It's not difficult to use at all. It's very user-friendly, and I've just had a blast creating this website. So that is all for today. I hope you have a great day. It is still September 27th. I'll see you all in the next one.